ಏನಿದು ಏನಿದು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ನಾಯಿ. ಇದೇನು? ಬೆಕ್ಕು. ಬೆಕ್ಕು. She's too good at repeating stuff. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಕ್ಕ? ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ತೋರ್ಸು. ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಣ್ಣ? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ತೋರ್ಸು. ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸು. ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿ, ಇವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇವನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡು? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಇವನು ನೋಡು ನೋಡು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಓಡು. ಇವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವನು? ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಊದು.
ನಯನತಾರ, ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಮಗುದು?
She's a hearing impaired child. She is delayed speech and language with hearing impairment, and she put on her hearing aid just 3 months back. So she's not heard anything literally for like 2.5 to 3 years in her life.
That's good.
See, this is a child with hearing impairment, and she's never heard any sounds in her life until the hearing aids came on. And usually a child is hearing sounds, they're responding to speech perception even when the child is inside the womb of the mother. Now once we start to put on the hearing aid, she starts responding to sounds, but there is that auditory memory is not enough. She's not able to retain what is told, because she has to hear the words, and the same words have to be heard repeatedly for her to form an auditory memory of words and be able to say what he or she is doing, or just to repeat something from memory takes long.